In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an age verifier pop-up for your Shopify store. If you sell age-restricted products, an on-site age gate helps you meet local regulations and sets clear expectations for visitors. We'll build and customize it using the Blockify Age Verification app inside your Shopify admin. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the Apps section, open Blockify Age Verification. When the app loads, head to the Store Verification area. This is your control panel for deciding when the gate appears and what it looks like. Choose Create Pop-up to start a new verifier. You'll land in the editor. At the top, click Enabled so the pop-up can go live when your setup is complete. You can toggle this on and off while you work, but make sure it's on before you finish. Next, open the method settings. Highlight the selector so you can see the available verification types. Click No Input to use a simple Confirm Deny gate, which adds minimal friction for shoppers. Then click Birth Date Entry to require a date of birth. This option offers stronger compliance because it calculates age automatically, which is helpful for categories like alcohol, vape, or adult content. Now configure your restriction values. Click on 1 in the numeric field to activate it, then click on 1 again to adjust the number to your region's legal minimum age. Set the date format for birth date entry so customers know exactly how to type their date. Click on YYMMDD to select the format, and click on YYMMDD again to apply it. Choose the format your audience expects to reduce input errors. With behavior in place, tailor the design to your brand and make it easy to read. Click Background to pick contrasting colors or a subtle overlay that keeps the pop-up content legible without obscuring your logo or header. Click Text to edit the heading and message. Spell out that your site contains age-restricted content and clearly state the minimum age requirement. Click Button to style the Confirm and Exit buttons and adjust their labels so the primary action is unambiguous. Keep accessibility in mind with clear wording and sufficient color contrast. If you need advanced tweaks, click CSS to add custom styles. Keep custom code lightweight and responsive so it looks good on mobile. Finally, click Info to review general details and messaging for accuracy.